Welcome back to Number Math, in which we apply color to either identify or sequence within math, always providing students with the opportunity to solve independently and self-assess with an answer key at the end of the video. Today we will be covering the mathematical computation of combining like terms. Okay, and just some quick notes for us. The first term in the group of like terms you're combining gives you positive or negative. Okay, every other term, it doesn't matter if there's 1 behind it, 2 behind it, 3 behind it, and so on and so forth, that follows within the group of like terms tells us to add or subtract. Okay, let's take a look here at the expression negative 18x plus 12x plus 4 minus 9x. Ooh, how did we read that? Negative 18x plus 12x plus 4 minus 9x. Okay, first let's identify the like terms. I'm going to underline negative 18x. I prefer to underline. Sometimes I do circles or boxes, triangles, but if we're combining multiple groups, it's best if we just underline once, then underline twice, underline 3, etc. Okay, what can we combine that negative 18x with? Yes, we can combine it with the positive 12x and a negative 9x. Okay, now if the first term in the group of like terms you're combining gives you positive or negative, when we put this into our calculator, okay, I just want you to type negative 18. And I am going to actually write that out because I do know that our negative and our subtraction look alike, as do our positive and our addition. So I was going to put negative 18. All right. Then every other term that follows within the group of like terms tells us to add or subtract. Well, if we underlined the negative 18x, then we have plus 12x. All right, so we're just going to put plus 12. All right, and then our third term that we're combining, all right, is negative 9x, but we need to subtract, so we're just going to plus 12 minus 9. Okay, so I'm going to pull in our calculator for us just so we can visibly see it. The negative 18, I'm just going to hit this right here. That's our negative, okay, left of the enter. We'll type in the 18. Then it says to hit plus 12. All right, so we'll do plus 1, 2, minus the subtract 9. Hit enter. We get negative 15. All right, do not forget your x that goes with it. Now, again, we don't have another group as there's just one term left. However, if there were multiple groups, I would double underline. All right, and that's why I like to underline. I'm going to remove our calculator. If you would like to pause the video, please feel free. Combine the like terms within the expression 22y plus 19 minus 15y plus 6y. Moving forward. That is an example of when we are working from left to right within our group. Okay, sometimes when we are working with distributing and binomials, polynomials, whatever it may be, all right, for an example, we've made it this far. We are great at identifying and recognizing what to do. However, again, it's the computation of the combining like terms where I've been noticing us struggle. All right, so if we just take exactly what we're giving us, well, can we combine negative 30x squared with anything? Is there anything below it? So now we're working top to bottom, but it's the exact same format. All right, the first term in which we combine will tell us either negative or positive. All right, and if we can combine 42x with 15x, well, the top one's going to tell us a positive 42x. So I'm just going to go ahead and write that for you. All right, this is just a note. You don't have to do it, but this is just to build that computation comfortability, okay? So we'll put in positive 42. Now, when you put that into your calculator, you do not hit plus 42, all right? You just type in 42. All right, let me move our calculator back over. However, our positive 15x will be represented by plus 15x. In our calculator, we will then do 42 plus 15, which gives us 57. Do not forget your x. So plus 57x, bring down your negative 21. Circle your answer. Go ahead and pause the video. All right, we've already worked through it, the distributing part, which you guys have been great at. All right, just go ahead and combine the like terms. All right, identify and recognize. Let's go. I will scroll through in just a few seconds. And for your answer key, I noticed something when I went through it the first time. I had only combined the like terms and wrote our negative 15x. However, you will drop the plus 4 next to it and circle your answer completely as a simplified expression. That's all. Moving forward to your next one of practice. All right, go ahead. Take that down. Check out your answers. You guys have an awesome day. Let's